I'd like to come before the court and, of course, inform the concern not only to this court, but, of course, to this community. The disgrace that, in my opinion, that I have seen that has been coming specifically from the Maverick County Auditor's Office has been one that we all have lived. And I say that all because all of our departments have lived it. We have right now the concern that I have as the budget officer for this county specifically is set forth on a financial concern. It is difficult for any department to do their job when one department isn't doing theirs. And the auditor's department obviously has failed tremendously in how we are moving forward. Simple requests such as the basic reporting periods that come forth when it comes down to the monthly receipts and disbursements for our county, which are 2 months behind. How can we continue to operate when the department is not doing their job and reconciling when they're supposed to? How can we assure that on certain matters, when we have necessary documentation that's coming before this court, that states itself under the revenue and expenditure reports of just one fund that I'll say the 339 account, where in the month of March, it was reported that there was $112,023.26 in one line item. But yet, right now, with no budget amendments being done to that line item, list on the STW accounting period and phase that there's $139,927.71. That all leads back to the accounting measures and the failure that that department is continuing to have. Not to mention the lack of ability to work closely with what is the executive officers of this county. I sent over an email on August 14th of 2025, specifically to Ms. Barrientos, requesting that there be an ongoing issue that had been dealing with concerns for the issues that have been going on in the matters for the restrooms here at this courtroom, in this courthouse. This matter was sent over, received. District judges were copied on this matter. District Judge Flores, because this was a 293rd issue specifically on this request that was coming from her office, has failed to move forward on issues that were apparently going to be reviewed by Mr. Rodriguez on this matter. The overall concern that I have right now with what is going on in this department is absolutely alarming, and we cannot continue to work like this. And as a citizen, and as a budget officer, and as a county judge, I encourage you, and I encourage the auditor's office to actually join forces with what this government is trying to do, which is to make a difference. Okay? Maybe instead of playing politics and instead of playing what it is, because at the end of the day, while you all are receiving what are nice breakfasts from my opponent in your office, in your respective break room, maybe after those times, those are the types of issues that we need to stop doing. We need to start working together. And as a judge, I hope, and I'm glad to see you here, Judge Abascal, because you are her direct supervisor. I hope that you see with the issues that are ongoing in Maverick County, because those breaks are breaking issues not only in your courtroom, but they're breaking issues in every single department in Maverick County. Mr. Chairman, I relinquish my time on that issue.